girl who cracks her neck. Oh.
Boy.
Yeah.
There you go. Good. You're
Oh
moving
my
great.
God.
Yeah. It's been a while, huh? Now you're moving all the way up. Look at that.
Holy.
Perfect.
For me. Relax for me. Very good. Good motion.
You just breathe.
And the right side. And that's it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're well and truly stuck. And then you'll feel it move, but try not to panic or get scared when it moves.
Okay.
Good girl. I'm going to hold my hand on there for a second. You know the difference a few hours makes. How much can you turn your head now?
I can turn it this way.
Oh, that's good. You can go quite a long way that way. Well, that's heaps better. Yeah, well that's the way you couldn't go at all. Emily was walking along minding her own business, and what did it do? A boy drop off the monkey bars or something, didn't he?
Yeah, a platform in his knees.
He dropped off a platform with his knees straight into Emily, and she's got this massive guarding through here, splinting of her spine, and it's made her whole spine very rigid, and she can't move anything. Lean on you a little bit. Turn your head in for me. That's awesome. And look up and down. Very good.
We're just in this room here.
Spines. Excellent. There, okay.
That's pretty good. Good.
Excellent. There we go. Excellent. Good job. Easy. Okay. There we go. Good. Excellent.